first website is Mozilla Developer Network, and basically this is the company that developed Firefox, which is the recommended web browser for our school and most of our classes. Here, coming up soon, we'll be getting into HTML5, which is new. I don't think we'll be using that, but if you want to learn about it, it's here too. But for example, you click on HTML and then documentation about HTML. Get help from the community, tools, easing HTML development. So you can click on Introduction to HTML. They give you the history and tell you what it is and give you some examples of what we'll be doing in the future. We click on the attribute list. These are some of the codes that we'll be using. These are called tags. We'll be using these a lot when you're coding with HTML. Also the element reference. These are more tags that we'll be using. H1, H2, these are headers. You'll be using these when you create paragraphs. Another important one is the div tag, which stands for divide. It's how you separate sentences or paragraphs or whatever you want to separate. Body right here, which is pretty much the main portion of your website. When you're coding for the website, you'll put the body tag. That's pretty much it for MDN. Also here, there's demos that show you different demos to show you cool stuff of other codes other people have developed. You have docs to read and learning, and then go to the community. The other website I want to talk about is lynda.com, which is really helpful. The way you get to lynda.com is you go to the Full Sail homepage, you click on organizations, lynda.com, click it. This page will pop up, and you go to lynda.com again, press continue. It'll load up. This is an error page, but when you hit those buttons, this page right here will pop up. And the good thing about this is a paid website. It actually requires a subscription, but we get it for free. And you can do a subject search. So let's say you're not in the mobile development class, but you're in a web development class. You click on web, and then all these classes and instructions will pop up. So let's say you want to learn about web design. This is the filter box. I'll click web design, and then you can choose your software or your company. I'll click my skill level as beginner. Then you see the classes start to drop off. I'm already subscribed, up and running with HTML. I recommend this class to anybody who doesn't know anything about HTML. And there's a bunch of different subjects. So whatever you want to learn, you could probably learn on here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks.